on Monday. I mean,
No, we think a little bit about the Slashdot effect. Yes. Let's see what is happening.
No, I think when the last year we've been working exactly on bringing the technology onto a scalable level to deal with billions of documents in an efficient way. We want to actually present results in a sub-second, 0.2 seconds, 0.1 second manner. And the advertising industry is required.
We want to deliver. Yeah. So right now, not with PowerPoints, but just with working system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is really nice. So what do I need to use? So that you have three things, right?
Well, first of all, we have the platform,
right,
which is a simple platform where you query with URLs or text,
okay,
and you get back from different channels which you address, okay, results. Right. Those channels could be content channels.
So you have a page I can go and try some things out? And
well, let's get back to it in a second.
We can show the channels.
But let's just briefly say why this is so important to structure the index like we do. Especially because we have an incremental index update. So the moment and something is new to the index, the moment it's available to some other user.
Wait, we should explain. So each search query,
yeah,
anybody's doing by an URL, you click on a new page,
yep,
you get a search result back,
yeah,
but additional, we get the page. And your search query is a new entry into our index. And at once, this page is available for all others who are querying the system. That is, I think, real Web 2.
How scalable is, so can you, how confident are you that you're going to keep up with traffic levels?
Well, that question always arises, and that is the least we worry about.
Because,
I've
had other guys in the seat say that, and then they crash.
Yes. Okay, that can happen. So, but at least we try our best, and we do our best also to solve this problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. But so we have very nice caching mechanisms. We have very nice mechanisms, two-stage cache, by covering requests to our server.
But let's take the statement Thomas just did about the incremental update for a blog like yours. I mean, if you implement this technology, or as a query text onto your page, and you write a new entry, the first time a user clicks on it, it's added to the index. So you don't have to wait for Google to come by and spider things, but actually by using that article, it's there.
Yeah.
So that is a powerful mechanism. That's why we're calling it the contextual matching platform in the network.
No,
because
at least it's a user-driven index.
Yeah.
And
I understand.
At least.
But let me just complete that sentence. Because your content is also going to be featured alongside other people's content, so it's an exchange of traffic for very specific traffic groups or interest groups. So they don't go back to Google and be distracted by something else, but actually they share an ecosystem of crosslinks.
Right. So you have three things. What are the products you're delivering on Monday? You're delivering the platform. You're delivering a toolbar that goes into what? What browsers does it work with?
It just covers Firefox so far, but we're about to release the Internet Explorer as well.
Okay. So Firefox on Mac and Windows, or just on Windows?
Yes, Mac and Windows.
Okay.
So
and
two
Linux
products
too,
built on that platform,
Yeah,
the add-on, where you personally can go off and do things, and secondly, the widget, where you as a web publisher or a blogger can actually implement something on your site in different ways. You customize it. And
so I understand the page that I've got to play with this. I understand the toolbar.
Right.
The widget is the one I think is going to be the more interesting one. How do we share revenues on that? So I'm a blogger. I'm going to put this thing on my blog. It's probably a piece of JavaScript, right?
Right. Exactly.
Copy and paste.
Exactly.
And so how does that work?
It's a very simple share. So far we just allow you to implement it. The publishing program revenue share is not self-service yet, but it's going to be soon. But the reason for that is more that the U.S. American ads, tapping into ad repositories, it's going to come in the next couple of weeks to actually have that repository to make it relevant for you to earn money with us. So we do a share of 70-30. Which is 70% for the publisher, 30% for us.
Oh, that's pretty good.
If we, for example, do the matching for a partner, so Nature Publishing Group, for example, if we match their vertical advertisements from their medical industry, the product catalogs, we take the 30% of their revenue. So it's the other way around. So in that case, we're just an infrastructure delivering in their pages their own kind of advertisements.
Very cool. And all this stuff is free other than that?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's free for all parties.
And it comes out on Monday?
It comes out on Monday.
We'll be able to try it out on Monday? 'Cause
Yeah.
this looks awesome.
You can try it out right now.
You can try it out
You
right
can.
now, but you're releasing on Monday. so-
We're releasing on Monday.
Excellent. This will be up on Monday. So,
Good.
very cool. Anything else I need to know? Because I could talk to you all afternoon about how this thing actually is working because it's.
We should continue when the camera's off about the business then.
There's some more stuff, but later on we can talk about without the camera.
Very cool. Where do I find it again?
It's at www.proximic.com.
How do I spell that?
Proximic, Proximic.
Okay.
And Proximic comes from proximity. It's a similarity search, and that's where it's coming from. So you find the proximity of your content, and it's not not the exact fit, but actually the most similar fit.
The widget, does it have any branding from you on it?
You can scale
stir
back
that
as
out?
much as just having one kind of small logo in the footer, and the rest, even the header, you can actually brand yourself.
Very cool.
And you can choose the channels, by the way, too. So you can say, I don't want Wikipedia to be on there, I don't want news to be on there, but I rather want blogs, just pure blogs to be featured, or I just want my current
But in
site
the
to be
future, at
featured.
least one advertisement should be on the
Yes.
widget.
Yes.
But there are also possibilities to have a content part on the maybe below your site, your page, and maybe a advertising part on the right side. So you can divide it.
Sure.
Very cool. Well, it looks awesome. I'm looking forward to trying it out.
Well, thank
you very much
Thanks
for
for
coming
the
out.
opportunity.